Hello everyone and welcome back to my another video. In that Pandas video, we are going to learning about how to add category, remove category and how to use the category. So let's get started into our main video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop and here is our data called we created into part 10. So part 11 is also good. Create our new file, left click mouse and here is our code. Click here and name it demo5.python. Enter it and then let me import the pandas. Import pandas as pd. Okay, enter it another time, 2 times and hashtag it, call it data categories. Colon it and then make the categories as equals to pd dot series is the categories, series first bracket, third bracket and then this bracket we make the category. Single quotation mark p comma q comma r comma s. Now when it's done, comma it in the end of the bracket and call it data type. D type equals to category. Now when it's done, enter it and then printing out of this data, hashtag print out of that data colon it, enter it and print out of the data, print brackets and then double quotation marks comma s. This is our category of our first and call it data category, call it cat means category colon backslash add. When it's done, here is our run code function called. Click here and then magic will appear. This is our category. There is our data of our default data and here is our PQRS data we created into here. And this is how many category used in the data. There are 4 category used in the data. So of the terminal and how to add the category in that data. That was a problem. So backspace it all of the data and then firstly hashtag it and then cat1 colon it s equals to pd dot series. Firstly another time p comma q comma r comma s. This is our demo category, comma it in that bracket, end of the bracket, d type equals to what category, printing out of this category, hashtag print out category, cat colon and then enter it, print another time, comma s data cat 1 colon backslash n, new line. Now we add into the category hashtag new category colon s equals to pd not s dot cat dot add categories demo category. I call it B. This is our demo category. Enter it and then hashtag print out category colon print double quotation marks and then comma s and now new category colon backslash n. When it's done of our data, here is our run button called. Another time click here and there is the magic appear. Here is our first category and then here is our new category called added. Here is our categories 4 default PQRS, and here is our objective 5 code. Here is our category, new category, how to add the category. Here is our B category called. Okay, now that was the category, how to add the category of this code. Now this time we remove the category. So here is the function s.cat. Remove category. Here is our remove category called, and the new category not remove category. Now that time run this code and then see here. Okay. Okay, guys. What we should remove the category means S. I remove the category. Okay. Now run this code again and see this magic appear. Here is our PQR. Where is S? And here is our categories 4. Here is our S and here is our not our S. Means N. Means not is in our category. Means our category is removed by the code. So that was the part 11 video. I give you this code in my description. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and get more support. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon button. Assalamualaikum.